So today we got ourselves a pair of bona fide pieces of junk. Well, we'll get them up and running, but that air filter needs to be replaced. It's missing a gas cap. This one here, also missing a gas cap. Got the oil cap though. Alright, let's see. Oh, that came off pretty easy. Leaves in there. Crusty old oil filter. Air filter rather. Alright. That should not be that easy to pull. That's a problem. But let's see if we can't take and make at least one good mower out of the tool. The deck's still alright on this one, so at least we got that going. And yep, there you have it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is a compression test. See if I get a whole bunch of resistance there on compressing. If I can spin it over, I'm already fairly certain I'm not going to get a spark because, well, that's rusty in there. There ain't no gas in there. If I do suck in any air, it's going to be clogged up and dirty. So, get after it. Put that there. Well, she's got compression. Maybe a little too much compression, but we got compression. Let's see what this one looks like. Looks like a dead battery is what that looks like. Fresh off the charger. Alright, so I've determined this motor here, now she's seized, so that's going to take a fair amount of, yeah, we're just going to have to open her all the way up, rebuild her, see what's broken all up in there. Pull this old spark plug out of here. Take a look-see at her. And she don't look that bad from that angle. Underneath. Being a little fouled out. Kind of rusty. Don't really need well, you're not really going to put much electricity through a bunch of rust. So, well, pulled the spark plug out of the other Craftsman there, and that tells me it had water just sitting in there. Well, you don't really need to be a mechanic to realize water's not good inside of there. It causes all sorts of issues. And if it sets, she'd rust tight up in there. And I can get her turned a couple times, but I'm gonna have to really tear down that motor to get her trying to go again. I don't know if it's really worth the effort on some of these old motors like that, but well, we'll give her a shot, eh? Alright, so trip from Tractor Supply was successful. Spark plug. Unfortunately, I'm going to try and make this one work because it was the closest thing they had to that old square piece of crap. All told, plus a quart of oil, because no telling how old that oil is in there. All told, about $20.30 was the total there. So, hopefully, that's all I need to actually spend on this rig. Get her up and running. Now, let's go back to the house and see what we can't get from there. Okay, so we got our brand new spark plug on there. Right there, you can see. That's Tractor Supply special just for this motor. Alright, so in order to get this to spark, to check for the spark, what I'm going to do here is take this spring off of here. There we go. And voila. Now there ain't no break or nothing on there, so now I should be able to get a spark out of it. I'm taking stuff that right there. Now a flywheel free to spin. So check her out. Got the old redneck electric start. Spark plug. Put her to the ground there. See if she sparks off. Make sure to keep your fingers away from that flywheel, because it's going to go fast. Hey, how about that? We got some spark. So, see, we got spark, we got compression. Now we're just going to need to get some fuel in there. Alright, spark plugs in. Took the air filter off, got fuel in there. See if we can't get her to fire off again. Spray a little starter fluid in there. Alright, well, she fired off, we're good to go. Now the next part of this, we're going to take this off of here, and we're going to take that one there, and pull that motor off completely, because that's got a nice body on there. This one, not so much. So we're going to take this motor off, mount it onto that. Since we got her fired up, we're good to go. Alright, well, we got the motor swapped over and all. She started once on ether, and then she did this to my drill. Yep. So we'll fix the drill. Pretty simple. Just screw it back on together, and maybe I'll have to put some Loctite in there if she comes apart again. So next step is probably, like I said, she starts on ether, but I'm thinking the carb's all gunked up and stuff in there because no telling how long it sat, and who knows what's all in there. So that's the next step. But now I got a good body and a decent motor, and we'll just go from there, eh?
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of OSHA violation.